Alright, here we go. Let's
Start,
hope
yeah.
PD actually works.
Alright, Nebula. Don't be a bitch. Please.
Let's go in waiting room. Okay.
I need to gen more fucking proxies. Goddamn.
Just
Definitely
turn it
forgot
on.
to
Are
off my
y'all's
IP.
auto-solve work? Or like... Oh, that's why.
Did you not alter IP?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to do that too for midnight just now.
But
That
like
thing.
Wait, you can turn on advanced v3?
Oh, God.
Where?
I like how you're just figuring it out in mid drop.
In the test,
Yeah.
I think probably.
Should have just made your task now.
Dime, what's your code for Leaf? I'll use it.
I'm LA.
I'm LA.
Okay.
It's the time LA.
Right now.
Okay.
Okay, I just passed splash on splash force.
Check out failure. Why?
Sploop.
Check out
Sploop.
failure again. Card
Sploop.
declined. Oh, great. Oh, Wrath's getting through.
I passed
Hey,
another one.
hey, hey.
Oh,
Hey,
I swear, if
PJ.
privacy is gonna screw me over again, I'm gonna
Are a
be so
bunch of
mad.
your PD tasks on in
I already got declined. Ooh.
An error occurred.
It's so weird, like
I'm getting
how,
oh my gosh, I'm getting I already got 3 declined.
it's so weird how like bots handle proxies differently.
Dude, he
At the same
just sent
time.
me his form, his slots right now. I'm not running.
I think that I'm getting the little thing, but
It's simple.
I think they're a ghost.
PD have like a v3 bypass?
Not for you.
Cause my PD is
I already
not
got 3
solving.
declines. That's
Yeah, I did. Wait, into...
Mistakes were made. Just like
Zip code banned, bro.
Wow, now I get the press and hold shit.
Hey, is the SKU 550888201?
Go away, bro. Stop calling me.
Damn, that took a while
What?
for sneakers.
Oh.
Pigeon found. On Hibbit.
Alright, let's see if I get
On
this.
the-
Is this the Leo or Dan?
Someone hit it? I hear a cha-ching, cha-ching.
Yeah, I'm cooking the fuck out of champs,
Good shit.
Yeah, hit social status.
foot action.
Thank God
Bro,
it is.
why is my shit not picking up?
Yo, add the card.
Process order. Process my shit. Let's go. Alright, so I'm at 2. No checkpoint. The fuck?
Yeah, so you just sign or some shit.
Okay.
I forgot about sneakers.
Jimmy, oh,
Got a minute. Hit Hibbit.
Man,
you did?
Yeah, mainly.
Oh, I hit another pair?
Hey.
This is some bullshit, bro.
Man, to
I hit a
Okay,
6.5.
cool. I just hit on server.
Oh, what? Card
For foot size?
on Adidas.
nice.
Damn.
I'm just.
Yeah, I'm glad the 2 splash and Adidas.
On PD, I'm just getting carding failed.
Champs.
Excuse me. Adidas.
I was about to say Adidas.
Oh, payment failed. Oh, because it's a Yeezy supply card.
Oh, damn. The problem with privacy right there.
So wait, where's JD at, man?
Actually, EJ, I think I have that error too right now. It's like it just went away. Oh, I never mind.
What?
Nothing. Nah, I thought I had the
Wait,
same
am I
area.
checking out? Oh, I'm checking out.
On what?
I'm
I'm
on
checking out,
retry.
checking out.
That's far,
Hey, I got my
bro.
first Phantom checkouts.
Oh my god.
This is crazy. This is craziness.
I'm fucking dead.
For foot sites?
Mhm.
Use the PayPal thing?
Was this PayPal? I think it might have actually just been card.
Oh
Yeah,
shit, they
card.
got the checkout. The auto logger.
Let's
Kodak,
go.
come
Let's
on, bro.
go.
Let me get the.
Payment decline. Why am I getting payment decline? This is me, bitch. I checked out on that card already.
I'm fucking crying.
Nah, there's one-time privacies. So
Why you? Oh, for finish line. Is that what you made it for? Oh, okay.
What the f?
Come
What's
on,
going-
Adidas.
This
Come on.
Pass into splash. Let's go.
Oh, there hasn't been a checkout. Oh, no, some more checkouts.
Yo, they are cooking in Phantom, bro. What the fuck?
Yo,
Put cases
Toby's.
in all you.
I'm putting
Toby's
cases on
webhook
all
is too
you
different.
bitches. I think I'm gonna
Oh, this. Oh my God! Here comes the checkouts.
Where?
check out.
I was about to say. I'm adding the
they're
card on a
pouring
couple
in
on
now.
Splash for.
Where?
Check
Which
out
bot?
pouring in now.
On Kodak.